case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 1984, the Supreme Court of the United States ruled on United States v. Karo, a case centered around the use of electronic devices to obtain information from within a private residence without a warrant. The case was initiated after the DEA installed a beeper in a can of ether, obtained by James Karo, Richard Horton, and William Harley from Carl Muhlenweg. The DEA agents continued to track the beeper's signal as it moved between various locations. In its decision, the court ruled that the installation of the beeper did not violate the Fourth Amendment, as the can belonged to the DEA and the suspects had no legitimate expectation of privacy. However, the court held that monitoring the beeper within a private residence without a warrant did in fact violate the Fourth Amendment. The judgment in this case established that beeper monitoring in public areas is acceptable under the Fourth Amendment if no justifiable claim to privacy is present. However, monitoring within private residences without a warrant is a violation of the Fourth Amendment, rendering the evidence obtained inadmissible. As a result, the Court of Appeal's judgment was reversed, though it remained unclear whether violations occurred during ether monitoring in rented lockers.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.